Hello everybody! Today I'm gonna present you two things. A cute summery pendant and my cat who decided that she wants to be filmed along with me making the pendant. First I blacked out this round piece of wood to give it some contrast to the rest of the piece, and I used a permanent marker for that, so a quick and easy solution. Then I started making the small pieces and I used half paper strips for that. I made tiny bent circle teardrops for my pendant, which are one of the two shapes I'll be using today because I want to keep it simple, so any of you should be able to make it. And this is when I got interrupted a little bit and my workspace suddenly shrank. There was no way of convincing her to take off, so I simply accepted the situation. I tried to shape my bent circle teardrop a little bit into some sort of diamond shape, squeezing it at one end. While my furry friend was relaxing herself in my space, I started making the second type of shape, small teardrops, made as well from half strips. I used multiple colors for my teardrops and then I started gluing everything on the black wood piece, however I imagined it would look better. I added some sparkle too, gluing one turquoise Swarovski crystal on the pendant. I made a little hole in the wood and added a little ring so I can attach it to the chain I had already prepared. And that's it. we completed our pendant with a limited number of pieces and a round piece of wood that can be replaced anytime with a round cardboard. You will end up with a cute and colored pendant that you can confidently wear and be proud of, because your friends will definitely question you for the place you bought it from. It will be even better when you will tell them you did it yourself. If you choose a different shape for your design, let me know in the comments what you end up going with and which you like best. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. Take care!